Ready? Give it a Let's get to it. What is up, YouTube? I'm Michael, and behind the camera is Ellie. We are the Bill Paying Hobbyists. This week, we're going back to the basics. We have these red and purple precast blanks set up for Slimline Pen Kit. We also have two Slimline kits, one in chrome, one in gold. We're going to get the blanks down to size and polished up. From there, we'll lay it all out and see which goes best. Next step, the lathe. Little detour, we're back at the drill press because I just looked at these and they're not squared. And I have the barrel trimmer, so I'm going to show you how that works to square these off instead of the old method that I was using with the sanding disc. I'm doing this to test it out to see if I actually like the barrel trimmer or not. So let's see what happens. Let me show you how this works. All right, as you can see, the tube is way down there from the end of the blank. What I need to do is square the blank off and make it perpendicular to the tube. One more. This is 100,000 grit diamond compound. Last one, Renaissance wax. This is just a protective coat. Help keep off the fingerprints, make that shine last a little longer. Ellie and I talked about it, and we were trying to figure out whether we wanted to do a gold kit or the chrome kit. Hold it so you can see it's silver, or the gold. And we decided on the gold. So hopefully you agree with us. Gotta be careful because sometimes they give way and they'll slide in there even further. So we'll stop there. And then slides in and threads on. So see, I have it engaged all the way and it doesn't protrude far enough, so we need to make sure we stick it in a little bit further. Ink cartridge in. That's nice. And it still retracts far enough that it doesn't write. Beauty ring. Slides on. And then we want to match this up when it's closed, because it probably should spend more time closed than open. And then we'll get that close, slide this on, and bam, done. All done. Looks pretty good. This really turned out nice. After getting it polished up, it appears that the blanks have diamond cast. Thank you for visiting our channel. If you're getting value from our videos, please triple tap the subscribe button, click the thumbs up button, turn to the left 3 times, click share, and then subscribe 2 more times. Have any authors in your family? Leave us a comment so we can make their next great writing instrument. Please do something nice for a veteran today. See you next week. We love you.